Hello guys, good day. I'm Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here now with one of the candidates of this year's Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026. Of course, I'm here with Christopher
Hello
representing Santo
guys.
Domingo. Christopher, kamusta?
I'm good po. Thank you
So,
for asking.
how was the activities for today?
It's kind of exhausting but worth the experience.
Wow. Ano yung hindi mo malilimutang activities so far?
Uh, sa swimsuit namin I did a lot of posing like
Mhm.
this, a lot of
Uh-huh.
things.
Was that your favorite part also?
Favorite part?
Yeah.
Enjoying with these guys.
Uh, so, first time mo ba sila ma-meet? Yung mga co-candidates mo?
Uh, Actually,
Pang ilang days mo
first
na sila nakita or nakasama?
2 days po.
2 days.
From the start ng in-house namin,
Mhm.
I already approach them and say hi to them.
So, first time also to join pageant or may
Uh,
experience na?
the third time.
Third
Pero
time.
this is a big event for me.
So,
First big event that I did join.
more on local pageants ka.
Yes po.
So, how does it feel na you're competing with some of the pageant veterans?
And it's actually overwhelming because I have to experience joining this kind of event and also mga former competitors last.
Yung mga nag-comeback.
Yes, yung mag-comeback. Medyo nate-tense din ako kasi magagaling. They're aiming for another chance again.
So, aside from this, ano yung mga preparations na pinaghandaan mo?
Well, I did a lot of things like getting on shape and prepared for my mentally, emotionally, and also spiritually.
So, who trained you for your Q&A, pasarela? Sino
Come again, sir?
nagtitrain sa'yo?
Sino po nag-train?
Nagtitrain for your Q&A, tas pasarela, mga posing, ganun.
It's actually my manager, which is, pwede allowed you mention po. Kuya Josh Aguinier,
Uh-huh.
number one mentor.
Meron kaming sinasabi sa pageantry na face card and you're one of the face card here sa Mr. Ilocos Sur.
Thank you po.
Anong masasabi mo doon?
Thank you for that compliment. I guess yeah, it's a big thing for me that I'm one of the I did choose now face card you said. And that's-
What if you win the crown? Ano yung maibabahagi mo sa organization?
Well, if I were to be one of if I were to be crowned as Mr. Ilocosur 2026, would be continue to preserve our local traditions here in Ilocos.
One last thing na lang.
Yes, sir.
So, who is Christopher on and off cam?
Well, Christopher, on and off cam is not what you think. Well, also reflect on myself, even if on cam and off cam.
So, still the same, walang
Still the
nagbago.
same.
Alright, sige. Batiin mo yung mga fans and supporters mo.
Hello guys, those persons who supports me and also hates me. Still, thank you for that, and hoping to continue your support. Alisto SDO.
Yeah, and of course, the persons behind your journey and the organizing committee.
Thank you for those person who helped behind my back and striving me to the top.
How about the organizing committee? What can you say about it?
Here po.
Yeah.
About sa mga organizing teams here, I appreciate their efforts. They do a lot of works to make this event going and flawless.
And of course, the PGIS. So,
Yes, of course, main thing, PGIS, yung main starter ng ano natin event,
headed by.
headed by. Thank you for them kasi another year na naman tong Mr. Ilocosur, second time around. That's all. Thank you for making this event again.
And to
Oh.
Governor.
Also to Governor Jeremiah Singson, and hope you to continue this our traditions, our fiestas, events, lot of things you help, and hope you continue that.
Alright, thank you so much, Christopher, and best of luck. Ha?
Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you.